If your favorite pair of sweatpants has gotten a bit baggy, you may be able to shrink them by washing them in hot water. Put your sweatpants in the washing machine with some color-safe detergent and set the washer to the hottest setting. Then, select the longest wash cycle you can. On most washing machines, this will be something like heavy-duty or bulky. As soon as the wash cycle is done, take the sweatpants out and move them to the dryer. Dry them on a high heat setting and choose the longest possible drying cycle. If your sweatpants still aren't as tight as you like, try repeating the process a few times until you get the desired result. You can also shrink your sweatpants by putting them in a pot of boiling water, then turning off the burner and letting the pants soak in the hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Use a pair of tongs or a long wooden spoon to push the sweatpants down into the water so that they're completely submerged. After you're done soaking the pants, drain off the water and firmly squeeze the fabric to remove as much excess water as you can. Just be careful to not wring or twist them, since doing so could stretch out the fabric again. Put your sweatpants on a line to dry, or toss them in a dryer on the highest heat setting to help shrink them even more. Another option is to shrink your sweatpants with a blow dryer. Soak the sweatpants in hot water, then carefully squeeze out as much excess water as you can. Lay the sweatpants out on a flat surface and go over them with a blow dryer, set to the highest possible setting. Hold the dryer just a few inches above the surface of the sweatpants and go over them in small sections. Focus on any areas you particularly want to shrink, such as the waistband. When you're done with one side of the pants, flip them over and repeat the process on the other side.